Hey guys, today I have these fun slime bottles. This is Minnie Mouse and she has this really cute pink bow. And she's on this super fun green slime. Oh boy. What is in the green slime? Susie Sheep. This is Nemo, and he's an orange clownfish. Here's some orange slime. It's Rocky from Paw Patrol. This is Sky. She wears pink flying goggles. Here's some pink slime. It's Catboy from PJ Masks. This is Chase. He wears a blue policeman's cap. Here's some blue slime. It's Everest from Paw Patrol. Here's Marshall. He wears a red fireman's cap. This is red slime. It's a Mickey Tsum Tsum. Here's Elsa. She has a braid in her hair. And this is yellow slime. That's a golden duke from Secret Life of Pets. We have Peppa Pig, Chase dressed as Catboy, Gecko, Elsa, Masha from Masha and the Bear, Gidget from Secret Life of Pets, Nemo, and Blaze from Blaze and the Monster Machine. Hey Chase, what are you doing dressed as me? It's not Halloween. Silly dog. First we have Peppa Pig. We've got a Play-Doh egg in here. It's pink. What do we have inside of our pink Play-Doh egg? It's a pink piglet from Winnie the Pooh. He is a super cute little piglet Tsum Tsum. Next up is Masha. Let's take a look inside this Play-Doh egg. This is a purple Play-Doh egg. What surprise do we have inside? It's Claudine Wolf from Monster High. Wow, look at the purple streaks in her hair. Now we have Gidget from Secret Life of Pets. Let's take a look at our surprise egg. This egg is yellow. What is our surprise inside? It's a little baby Toozy. And look at this cat disguise he has on here. So adorable. Next we have this Chase dressed as a Catboy. What a silly Chase. Okay, let's get our Play-Doh egg out. This is a blue Play-Doh egg. What's inside of the blue egg? It's Isabel from Elena of Avalor. Isabel is Elena's younger sister. Next up, we have Nemo. Let's check out Nemo's egg. This is an orange Play-Doh egg. What is our surprise inside of the orange egg? It's a Zuma Mash'em. Let's give our Zuma Mash'em a squeeze. Wow! And a stretch. Super stretchy. Now we have Gecko. Here's our green Play-Doh egg. Let's see what's inside of the green Play-Doh. This is a penny wishing well from Shopkins. She's got her penny ready to toss in. Here we have Blaze from Blaze and the Monster Machines. Okay, let's see our egg. It's a red Play-Doh egg. What's inside of our red Play-Doh egg? Oh, what do we have here? It's a Tsum Tsum Minnie Mouse. Look at how cute her red and polka dotted dress is and her matching bow. And now we have Queen Elsa. Let's open up this Play-Doh can. Here is our white Play-Doh egg. What is inside? We have a Tsum Tsum Olaf inside. He is super cute. He's got little twigs for his hair and the carrot nose. Well guys, that's it for this video. Which one of our surprise characters was your favorite? I think I like Isabel best. Let me know in the comments section which is your favorite. And until next time.